Speak 5 people I know made $200 this week using AI, none of them write code. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash 5 tools. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash 5 real income paths. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash 1 is a trap, I'll show you which. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash stay for tool 3. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash that's where the corporate money is. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash tool 1. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash ElevenLabs. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash it clones a voice from 1 minute of clean audio. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Fiverr sellers charge $150 to $300 per voice package. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash you need creator, $22 a month for commercial use. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash free tier is non-commercial. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash people miss that and get DMCA'd. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash tool 2. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Midjourney. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash $30 a month, 900 images. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Etsy sellers pack those into $4.99 wallpaper bundles. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash AI art converts 200% better than stock photos. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash catch. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash text in images is still broken. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash post process in Canva. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash tool 3. This is the one. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash HeyGen. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash I'll be straight with you, I spent 2 weeks testing this and it's the single tool I'd keep if I had to pick one. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash record yourself for 2 minutes. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash get an AI avatar that reads any script forever. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash corporate training modules pay $500 to $2,000 each. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash freelancers cut production from 3 days to 3 hours. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash drop a comment. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash would you use this for clients? Tool 4, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash RunwayML. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash one photo becomes cinematic b-roll. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash motion brush animates just the water, the rest stays still. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash b-roll packages sell $50 to $75 on Fiverr. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash pro is $35 a month. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash warning. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Gen 3 burns 5 credits per second of video. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash tool 5. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Claude. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash it holds 200,000 tokens. Paste an entire manuscript in one window. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash ghostwriters produce 4 Kindle shorts a day. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash 4 books at $50 each. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $200. Done. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Claude Pro is $20 a month. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash lowest barrier on this entire list. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash HeyGen versus Synthesia. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash HeyGen wins on avatar realism and translation, 94 versus 87% BLEU score. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Synthesia wins enterprise integrations. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash for freelancers charging by the module. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash HeyGen every time. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash all 5 tools combined. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $196 a month. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash ElevenLabs $22, Midjourney $30, HeyGen $89, Runway $35, Claude $20. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash one client order covers the whole stack. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash best for beginners. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash Claude at $20, zero barrier, massive demand. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash highest income ceiling. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash HeyGen corporate clients pay the most per hour. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash overall rating. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash 9.1 out of 10. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash which of these 5 are you starting with? Tell me below. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash link in the description. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.